In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can use stealth mode on Midjourney. Now, stealth mode is basically like the private mode, which means any image you generate, only you can see it. That's basically what private or also known as stealth mode is on Midjourney. And Midjourney is an AI which can create image out of the text you give it to. Alright? So that's basically what the basic information of Midjourney is. Now, let me show you how you guys can turn on your, stealth mode on Midjourney. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you want to open Midjourney server and click on where it says newbies. Once you're in the newbies tab, where it says messages, you want to write / over here. Once you write / write private. Once you see it, you can click on private and it's going to say toggle stealth mode. Once you do that, press on enter and this command will be given to Midjourney and the stealth mode will be activated. So in order to activate stealth mode, you need to have premium version. Not just premium, you need to have like the most upgraded premium, which means the most expensive one, the ultra premium version of Midjourney. It's going to cost you $60 or $80 per month. That version you need. If you have that, you can use private mode just by writing /private and you can use stealth mode. But if you don't want to pay that much money, what you can do is add the Midjourney bot on your Discord server. Make sure you create a Discord server where you are the only member. As you guys can see, I'm the only member in this Discord server, and add the Midjourney bot over here. And if you don't know how to do that, we have made a video on how you guys can add Midjourney bot on your Discord server on our channel How to Guide. You can watch that video to know how to add Midjourney on your Discord. So hope you understand this video on how you guys can turn on or use your stealth mode on Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.